Hi everyone, Leo Alvarenga here with Remax Goodstory. We are behind 108 Richmond Road where we're shooting unit 507, one of the biggest one-bedroom units you can find in this building. I'm also right behind Split Tree Cocktail Company. Luckily they're closed, otherwise Chris and I would have probably not shot this video so efficiently. We'd be sipping on cocktails. This is an awesome business that's tucked in right beside the building. You can host friends, clients, a lot of businesses use them as well for all their cocktail supplies. So this is one of the hidden gems surrounding this beautiful property. Plus all the different businesses along Richmond Road and Wellington. This building is right at the corner of Island Park, Wellington and Richmond. No lack of amenities here. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, follow me as I show you the party room. The party room in this building is fantastic. It's a beautiful space where you can host friends, family, birthdays. You can work from home. It's awesome. We are now in the rooftop terrace. This is one of my favorite amenities in this building. It is massive. You can also host family, friends, and parties up here. You have views behind me of the river and of Gatineau, and on the other side of the terrace, you have views, southwest views. So you have sun all day. This place is phenomenal. We're now in the unit. This one-bedroom unit is one of the biggest that you can find in the building. It has a massive bedroom. You have a balcony as well, just off the living room. This unit also comes with a storage locker, underground parking, and if you like biking, there's bike storage. You have the LRT station steps away and trails galore.